and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got another subscriber unboxing. So this one is from a lovely lady called Lisa. She was ordering some diamonds for her own Heaven and Earth designs that she's doing, and because she was ordering sort of a quantity, you know, for example 200, and she only needed 100 and something, she asked me what other colours I needed to sort of fill up her order. So let's have a look what we've got. So I was doing sort of just going through my list, going, you know, this is definitely a number that I'm going to need more of. I didn't want to be taking diamonds or having diamonds that wouldn't get used, but also I didn't have the time to count how many diamonds I had of everything. So I went for the numbers that I knew I would need more of. Ooh. So oh, it's a little thank you card as well. So it says, in short, so here are the diamonds for the little dreamer's tree, and it goes on about how she found my channel at a time in her life when she needed it. Let's put it that way. And oh, that's nice. So she's saying how my channel brings joy to her life and to others. And then she's also put about PS, please enjoy the pen. I had fun making a few. Ooh, this has got me excited now. So let me have a look at the pen first, and then I'll get excited over the diamonds. But oh, that is gorgeous. So look at that diamond painting pen. I think this is like that polymer clay stuff. I've seen it about, I've just not got I haven't explored that side of the world because I would probably be gone for hours. But oh wow, that's gorgeous. So I've got a nice new little diamond painting pen for my Heaven and Earth designs. Thank you so much, Lisa. And let's have a look. So we've got some numbers in here. I say there's quite a few of them that were the odd ones that I needed. So where's my little checklist? So here's my little checklist sheet. So let's have a look. There are a few numbers that I have been short of, and there's a few that I've sort of needed, not quite needed yet. So for example 166, that's a number I've not needed yet, but I do need and I don't have. 300, that's a number in that lot. Let's have a look at the numbers. So 349 is one that I needed to fill some gaps. I'm sure that one's in here. Oh, so many numbers, so many diamonds. So let's have a look. So we've got 4s. This is going to take some sorting out, isn't it? 6s. Oh, there's more in here. 9s and 5s and 3 8s. And wow, look at all these diamonds. So, oh, there it is. So 349, that will help fill some of the gaps. What else did I have? 552. I think I did just get a few of these with my Ever Moment, but I think it was that one. 603 and 604. They were also colours that I needed to fill some gaps. There has been a couple of others in sort of the last bit of the page as well. 893. There's that one. So it's all sorts of the pinky colours at the moment, just due to where I am on the page. So we've got 918. Oh, I've got even more in here. there's more, there's more. Wow. We've got them all over the place. So let's start having a look maybe, and let's start getting some of these filled in. Get my sheet up to date, because I know there are people asking what diamonds it is that I need, and they're very willing to help. But thank you so much to Lisa for sending me these, and for the gorgeous pen. I'm going to use that the next time I get diamond painting. I'm trying to have a look now. Oh, 939. That's, sorry, that's what I crossed off. Oh no, 918 I was looking for. 918. Oh, there it is. 918. So I think we're going to have a gap filling session coming up. So I'm trying to think of the best way to do this now. Do I tick off my sheet, or do I get my gaps filled on my Heaven and Earth designs? I can't quite decide what to do. I want to do all of it. Okay, let's get these diamonds away. I think that's the practical way to do it. So I'm going to have to get my sheet as well that shows me the symbols, because I have now put all my pots together. All my pots are now in my cases, but they're sorted by symbol. So I'm going to have to cross-check these as I go along. But let's get some of these away, and then I can have a quick look on my sheet then and find out what it is that I may or may not need more of, and we'll go from there. So thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing, and thank you so much to Lisa for sending me all these diamonds. I've just got to the end of page 1. I know it's taken me a while, but I've just got to the end of page 1, and it will be, I will feel so much better knowing that page 1 is complete with no gaps. Any other gaps that come up in the future that I run out, fair enough, but it would be nice to know that it's done and I can move on to page 2 and hopefully get some speed, or get some stuff done a little bit quicker. But I'm going to pop these away in pots. I will be back for completing and filling in the Heaven and Earth designs. A lot of people, in fact I may even do a video on potting these last bits up as well, to be honest. A lot of people have asked how long it has taken me to kit up the Heaven and Earth designs. I don't know. I've done it in bits and in stages, but a long time is all I can say. So I'll call it that for this video. I will get myself organised and I'll come back and you can help me or be with me while I fill up my little pots and see where I'm up to. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.